Hey, good afternoon. We are so excited to shoot this out of Casablanca, Morocco. I'm Vineet Parekh, Managing Director, Pima Africa, and with me we have Whale. Whale here is the country manager for Middle East and North Africa, and we are really glad and thankful to him to take time out, come here. Today, incidentally, we are on the backdrop of an important customer event that we're just about to conclude. We are very excited to interact with several key customers, and I thought it's a great time to reflect back on what we are doing and what we can do for our customers here in Morocco. So, Whale, what's your experience been like?
As of now, the experience
You
was
told me you're here for the
amazing.
first time. It's
Yes,
for the first
yes,
time in
yes,
Morocco.
this is my first time in Morocco. Honestly, the experience was great. I really enjoy Morocco as a country. So
And I think the weather is beautiful.
and this is amazing weather for someone who live in Dubai. So from 50 to 16 and 50, this is 15. So this is something unique. But in general, the engagement with the customers, the engagement with the people in general. So how they welcome us, Rockwell, Pima in this market, not only as a vendor-supplier relationship, but you can feel the hospitality and the acceptance in the customer, which I believe for both of us it's really positive. The other side, honestly, the development that happened with Pima for the last 18 months. So it was journey we started in 18 months ago, but how it's accelerated and how we reach now to this point where we have event with almost 70 attendees. This is really impressive in this short period.
And of course, none of this is possible without the partnership model that
Exactly.
we have, and we are so happy to be working with Rockwell. I think there's no better company to work with than Rockwell as a partner, right? Having worked with different companies all over the world and interacted with several multinationals as a customer, as a supplier, I think there is no better company who thinks so well ahead in interest of customers. The kind of technology that is being rolled out, which is always future ready. We are already talking about AI and
Yes.
ML and things that we do on the fly for customers with minimum engineering time. And even like AI-based programming that's now coming
Yeah,
into
this
our
is
engineering
coming
tools.
coming trend. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we don't need the software development anymore.
That's scary. It's
Yes,
always.
it is. It is.
So, what you think is the flagship technology that could add a lot of value to customers here?
I think the feeling from the customers, the feedback, from the engagement. I believe the customers here they got used to Rockwell as the typical OT company, so automation, PLC, drives. But it was really surprisingly that a lot of focus on digital, on cyber, and how to leverage this new technology for the benefit of the industry. And most of the topics today and the interest, digital. What can we do on digital? What can we do on AI? Cybersecurity, how we can include cybersecurity. So it's really impressive because before, I can say for us, when we started our career, it was only maybe basic automation. Hardware automation. But this day it's totally changing, evolving, and it's reality that we live right now.
I was reading some reports, and they said that the next generation of optimization of the process is all going to be because of the software tools.
Yeah.
Because you cannot change the laws of physics beyond a certain level.
Yeah.
But the software can optimize that entire process, and there are several reports suggesting that.
Yeah, and honestly, one of the surprise, and was honestly a great surprise, that Pima as Rockwell distributor, they are already ahead. So they have development in software, they have machine learning, AI, KPIs, platform, which is a great value to our customer. And normally this is not the expectation from our distributor, but you are going above and beyond.
So that's what customers expect. Customers want view on what's happening, and there are great tools that are being introduced in the market. And I'm so happy that Rockwell is always on the forefront of introducing the most intelligent tools, and these are the ones that add value. We also had a great session on medium voltage drives, and I think Morocco is a great market for medium voltage drives, and we have several customers asking us something. Would you like to share something on that technology?
You are touching something which is close to my heart because I was a medium voltage engineer.
Oh, is that so? I didn't
I was
know that.
certified medium voltage engineer.
Wow.
So no, I think Morocco for the medium voltage drive business, it will be booming for the coming years. Some of the discussion now about the utility and water development. So Morocco used to face some challenge on the availability of water. So they are building now a lot of desalination, pumping a lot of water, which require pumps, motor, drives with high rating. So I believe timing wise also, we are in the right time for this boom for the medium voltage.
Absolutely, and Morocco is now going to be host to the Africa Cup later this year, and in few years' time they're preparing for the FIFA World Cup.
Yes,
and I'm so excited to just come back here and get some, good tickets.
Yeah, we need
and
free
seats.
tickets. Yeah.